Alright, now I'm going to show the kill switch. I originally had this, I hoped it would just be totally no crank, but it's actually, I'm using the ignition as the kill point, which of course you can do whatever. And so it's just going to try to crank and not start, which actually would probably be a better trick if somebody was trying to steal your car. Alright, we'll just do it real quick. Alright. Car starts fine. I'm gonna just, so it's 4 p.m., so it's outside the kill hours. I'm going to do a lock, and this is basically the same as setting the kill hours. So I could just set the kill hours, but I'm going to do lockdown instead. Does not start. And it does take a few seconds, so the order that it processes things is it processes the text message, receives it, sends it, and then one of the watchdogs is actually, one of the watchdog processes is actually enabling and disabling stuff like the kill switch. So it says that it's disabled. I'm still going to give it a few seconds just to be sure. There you go. So here is a newer feature, and it is when the kill switch is on and someone tries to start the car. Pretty neat.